you will need a roll, like a paper towel roll, or you can cut up a wrapping paper roll. You just have to make sure that it's thin enough that you can punch holes through it. Some markers or crayons, a hole punch, scissors, and yarn. We have 18 pieces of yarn here. It's fairly long because we wanted to make the hair so that we could braid it. We also have a dress right here that we can cut out. If you really want, you can even just you can cut a triangle for her dress if you don't have this. So first what we're going to do is work on her hair. So we won't need the markers right now, or the dress, or the scissors. So what we're going to do is punch some holes around the top of the roll. So we're going to go all the way around. So we went around one time. It doesn't have to be totally even. And then if you want, and you want her to have like extra hair, you can do like a down in between some, like this. So I'm going like, here's two. Then I'm going like in between those two, but up further. You just want to go in between because the yarn will overlap the other yarn if it's not in between. So some of mine aren't perfect, but we'll see how we can do. So now we're putting the hair in the doll. The best thing about this is then you can cut their hair and then just get some more yarn and start all over again. You can braid their hair and then unbraid it. You can make it any length that you want, any color that you want of any yarn that you have. You can sometimes find yarn like at garage sales, or here we have Arts and Scripts. You might find some yarn there, or go to the craft store and get some, or maybe somebody in your family has some extra. So what I did is I folded my piece of yarn in half, so both sides are even. Then I'm going to put where the fold is through the hole. So now there is a loop here. See, so I can put my fingers through. There's the loop. So what I'm going to do is put the yarn that was like a tail through the hole. So I'll do a few more so that you can see. So here's one piece. Then I'm going to fold it in half again. Take the part where it's folded. I'm going to put it into the hole. Pull it up, and then it makes like a loop here. I'm going to take the other side and pull both sides through the loop. Okay. So again, fold it in half, put the folded side through, make a loop. I'm pulling the other two through the folded side. You can already see how she has all this hair. Look at this. It's a lot of hair to braid. So you could also say you want her to have curly hair. You can undo, take a little while, but on a rainy day, right? You can undo how this is all together. You can undo these strands, and then you could do tiny braids if you wanted to. So as you can see, I can make it go loose like that. So it's curly hair. So whichever one you like. And so you just keep doing that all the way around. When you're done, she should have all her hair in. Then you can draw a face on her. Okay, so now she has a face and she has all her hair. Now she can have a dress. And so this dress is just kind of to show you how you could have a dress. You can make this dress any way that you want. This is just an example dress to show you kind of how it would go on. And so you're going to cut out your dress. You can make it shorter if you like. Cut it out. You can make it have short sleeves. Just this way she kind of has arms if she has a long sleeve dress on. You're also going to need just a dab of glue. Just a little. Remember to recycle all your scraps. Okay, so now our dress is cut out. And then you can decorate it any way you like. You could maybe even you can adjust the neckline. Maybe you want a V-neck. Maybe you want a boat neck. Maybe a scoop neck. It can be anything that you want. Could be a zigzag neck. There we go. She could be wearing a necklace. Go. And let's see. Okay, so the dress is decorated now. Now all you have to do is you can just write on her. And then so you just put just get a glue stick or bottle glue and just put the glue right there and glue on her dress. And there you go. You have made your lady. You can braid her hair any way that you like. And you can always cut the hair off or undo each one and then put other hair in. You could put all different colors. You could put regular hair colors in there. This is really just up to your imagination. So this one is just an example. I'm sure that you can find lots and lots of ways to have so much fun with this doll. You could make her a mermaid. You could just put a mermaid body on her. You could do all kinds of things. So enjoy your doll with the hair that you can braid.